How to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. After that, there is an option of turning off profile views. But remember, turning off your profile views will not just avoid your views from another profile, but also you will not be able to find if someone else viewed your profile as well. If you are okay with it, simply go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then here you will see this icon, and then if this is already turned on, simply turn it off. Now other people can see that you viewed their profile in past 30 days if you have turned on profile view history, but if you have not turn this on, nobody will be notified that you viewed their profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.